So I can do all this at the command line if I'm a bad guy just by typing a bunch more commands. But instead, I'm going to take this instance and I'm just going to move its IAM role from maintenance role to S3 read write. And now that EC2 instance, and again, if I'm a bad guy at the command line, I could have done this in about 5 more minutes of hacking around here. But now I have the ability to list S3. There's my S3 buckets that before I couldn't see, right? Here's customer records. So this customer records bucket is actually quite secure. I've gotten to it by doing a lateral movement across IAM roles. So now I'm just going to steal all of the data in that real quick by running one command. I'm going to take everything in customer records and I'm going to move it, copy it rather, to all your base, which is my own S3 bucket where I'm going to go and retrieve that data. I just stole all the data. Now that didn't take too long. And it also didn't traverse any TCP/IP network locations where I might have seen the traffic, the packets going, because it was an S3 to S3 copy. So this is how a number of S3 exploits that you've read about have happened. I broke into this EC2 instance, I surfed to another IAM role, and I grabbed all the data out of S3. And I hope that shows how these things actually work together.